Channel again. So guys, today we see how fix Grindr registration error and unable to create account. The Grindr is a unique and dating application made for the gays, bi, trans and queer people. The credit for this application goes to Israel Joel Simiki, who invented the Grindr in 2009. There are more than 30 million registered users over Grindr across 130 countries with around 3.5 active users. This app will access your the GPS and find out the nearest match user. It is a free and user friendly, but sometimes people face Grindr registration issue. Are you facing the registration issue in the Grindr are not able to create account? This error people are getting during the creation of the account, unable to create an account. Don't worry, here we are short your issue step by step. So why registration occurred on the error occurred on the Grindr? Usually two major issues occur while creating an account: maximum number of the account error message and registration error message. Here is why these issues are occurred. The registration occurred on the Grindr when the user already had many accounts that has tried to new ones. And another error occurred while registration for a new account. The number of numerous reasons behind the error, including the inaccurate information, incorrect email and password, and sometimes other technical issues. So guys, we see the maximum number of the account error. The Grindr registration error generally occur when their user had already many account and try to create new ones. There is a limit of the account and you can create an email ID. If the limit is extended, you will see the maximum number of the account error. There are only solution is to be long in the pre-existing account for use any other email. The fourth one is registration the error message. This is the another common issue that occur while registering for a account. There are numerous reasons behind the Grindr registration occur, including the inaccurate information, incorrect email and the password, and the other some technical issues. If you are facing the above mentioned issues, you are in right place. Now we see how to fix the registration error on the Grindr. There are few things that you need to ensure while registering on the Grindr. The first one is fix. Update the Grindr to update latest version for any recognition store like Apple Play and Google Play Store. The second one is a fix. The second fix is utilize the account of the other platform while registering for the Grindr. You may sync your Facebook, Twitter, Google, Apple ID at extra. This will help you to register easily. The third one is fix. The third one is check whether you are entering your accurate email ID and password, also you are in a lowercase and letter only. And the fourth one is always have an alternative email account to register. If the first one does not work, use the alternative one. Now we are moving to the fifth fix. Is there are some problem where the government blocks a Grindr. Make sure you are not in such locations. Use VPN instead. Sixth one is your network connection. Wi-Fi, whether is it is fast or not, always register at the fast internet speed. The seventh one, Grindr registration error might be occurred due to the technical issue. To resolve, you register your device or the force stop to application. The eighth one is never save the file of application in a private place like a Samsung secure folder. The ninth is there are some eligibility criteria you need to qualify to make an account that's include an age which must have 18 plus and the gender which may be gay, trans and bi and queer. None of the above mentioned tricks work on you are still facing a Grindr registration error, then try to again after 24 hours. You are also screenshot the Grindr registration error message, the time when you are registering and PV IP4 address and send them the Grindr help support. Thank you. Have a nice day. These all the fixes help you to resolve your problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.